you're on the cruise ship and you dock at Spezia, Italy, this video is to show you the things you can do in just one day. Thanks for joining us on another journey.
We're in the village of Riomaggiore.
If you're new to the channel, this is April, and I'm Wayne. Hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. April and I are going to walk to the central train station from the cruise port, which is roughly about 25-minute walk. They wanted 15 euros to take a cab, and we're going to jump on the train and go to the first town.
We are going to Cinque Terre, Riomaggiore.
We made it to the train station. It cost 18 euros to have a day pass so we can get on and off and go to a couple different cities. So our tour guide today is Mike. We met him and his wife Karen on our cruise, and we've been hanging out with them. They've actually spent a week here, this town and neighboring towns, so he's our official tour guide.
Cinque Terre is the national park, and it comprises the 5 separate villages that each have their own name.
There's hiking trails from each village that you can walk as well. We really wanted to do that. As we started walking up the hill, we decided there's no way we're gonna have enough time to make it back to the cruise ship. So we're bailing on this and gonna go find something to do.
In between all these buildings, you'll see that there's these stone staircases that turn really gnarly once they start to get up there. And they all end up at the same place up at the top. In the olden days, the pirates would come and raid the village, and they would have to battle their way up to the top where the church is in there. And so all of them were built like this so that people who live there would throw rocks down on the pirates and stuff that were coming out of town, hopefully drive them away.
And they have these beautiful colored houses, tight alleyways where you can get lost. Uh-oh. We went to somebody's house.
This one seems like it is.
Definitely wear your walking shoes. You're uphill, downhill, upstairs, downstairs, in alleyways, trekking all over the place. You will get your stairs stepping in that day for sure. How do you feel after walking straight uphill? Not out of breath.
We've done it at a slow enough pace. It's been okay so far.
The idea is to get to the highest spot in the city without the most effort. We're not doing well on the effort part, but we're gonna have a magnificent view, I feel like, when we get to the top.
Cinque Terre is a UNESCO heritage site.
It really hasn't been modernized and developed, which is nice. I like that idea of just being back in time. The churches with their bells, oh my goodness, I have never heard so long of bells. They just ring and ring. We need bells in America. Except for when I'm sleeping, I don't need the bells then. And you know what's kind of nice too is there wasn't any cars. You just walk up and down the roads.
You feel transported when you wander the streets among these villages.
If we get the opportunity to go back, I would definitely stay for several days and take my time and enjoy each village.
And get the view from the Mediterranean.
I really wanted to take the boat taxi instead of the train to see the villages, because the best way to see the villages is from boat. When you're in the village, you can't really see the picturesque scenery of each one of the villages.
Cinque Terre is known for its delicious cuisine, and we certainly had some of that, didn't we?
Here you go.
What you got?
Cream-filled croissant.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Is it good?
Yeah. Have some.
I want to bite.
Yeah.
Like butter on my face. Well, we're at the next town. What's the name of the town?
Manola.
Each one of these towns, it's all uphill.
That charcuterie board was legit.
So there's olive, tapenade, pesto, bruschetta.
The fruits and vegetables.
I wonder what kind of cheese that is, huh?
I'm guessing
It's mozzarella.
the olive.
Pepper?
Sure.
There's just not enough. I'm trying to...
Pepper over here.
So sweet. So a piece of cheese, fruit, and the meat is what we should try.
Yeah, I'm going in. I'm going in
Okay.
here, and I'm going to do a little bit of this.
Then we'll do a little bit of this.
There you go. You got a sandwich.
Yes.
Now that's an American eating. Oh, there you go. Now you got a sandwich with the pear. And this is how you do not eat it.
Hi. I made a sandwich. You should love it.
Oh my God, the pear by itself. We should put something on it, like a lemon or something.
It's probably just a good pear.
I don't think I've ever had a real pear.
Really?
Pear. I don't know if I ever have.
Oh.
And the wine. Cheers to Italy.
Oh, it's good.
This
Oh,
whole
yeah.
thing.
You would like it.
Oh, so this smells like more like juice.
Try it. You'll be surprised. It's different. Oh my God.
Ooh, that is different.
Oh my God, that's so good.
If you're in Manola, this is the little wine place that we went to. Highly suggested.
Yes, definitely. Charcuterie is next level, and
Yeah.
I love charcuterie.
Amazing. You get a glass of wine and a little charcuterie for 10 euros a piece. Perfect. We want to thank you guys for watching our video all the way to the end. If you would, hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend, and like always, thank you for living life.